Mystery. He's actually doing a coffee. Huh?
Walk very close, so remember, no hands out. Right, he's just walking past. He knows to touch you anyway. Don't worry, just stay there. No personal space at all.